In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stars in Google Docs. If you want to make your document more visual, highlight important sections, or just add a decorative element, inserting a star is a simple way to do it. Google Docs doesn't place this option directly in the main toolbar, so you'll be using the drawing tool to create and insert the star into your document. Start by opening your Google Doc and going to the page where you want the star to appear. It helps to decide in advance where you want to place it, because once the drawing is inserted, you may want to adjust its position to fit neatly with your text or layout. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where Google Docs keeps extra elements you can add to a page, including images, tables, charts, and drawings. From the Insert menu, hover over Drawing, and then click New. This opens the drawing window in a separate pop-up, which gives you more flexibility to create custom shapes that aren't available directly on the document page. Once the drawing window opens, click on the Shapes icon in the toolbar. This menu contains several categories of shapes and symbols you can use. After that, select Callouts. Even though the category name may not sound like it contains stars, that's where the star shape is located in this menu. Now click on the star you'd like to add. Google Docs may show more than one star style, so choose the one that best fits the look you want for your document. After selecting the star, click and drag inside the drawing area to create it. The longer you drag, the larger the star will be, so take a moment to size it the way you want. If needed, you can reposition or resize it before inserting it into your document. Try to make it large enough to be visible, but not so large that it overwhelms the text around it. Once you're happy with how the star looks, click Save and Close. The star will then be inserted into your Google Doc. At that point, you can click on the inserted drawing in the document if you need to move it or adjust how it sits with your text. And that's it. You've successfully added a star in Google Docs.